The power dynamic is shown through each character's positioning relative to each other. At the start of the scene, Denji and Makima appear to be on equal footing. This is deceptive, as Makima is essentially puppeteering him. Denji gradually falls lower as the scene progresses, until Makima is literally on top of him, fully in control. Bear in mind, this is the scene where we are introduced to the Gun Devil, our first major villain, and the prize that Makima has promised our protagonist if he can defeat it. By giving him this goal, she has gained full control of his ambition, his fate, and most importantly, his heart. A neat detail that I believe holds some symbolism is the red stamp that I mentioned earlier, which gradually falls from Denji's hand, to the table, to the floor, following the change in dynamic. To me, the red is reminiscent of both lipstick and blood, showing where each of their mindsets are: love and death, which both tie into the central theme of Denji's heart.